Hello students, today we will going to learn triangle and its properties part 2, chapter 6, class 7. In this part we will learn about Pythagoras theorem and side sum property. So what are the aims and objectives of this chapter? To know about side sum properties and to learn about Pythagoras theorem. This is the page you have to open in your book. Mind mapping. So, there are three types of the triangle on the basis of angles: acute angle triangle, right angle triangle and obtuse angle triangle. And there are three type of triangle on the basis of side, that is scalene, isosceles and equilateral. Dictionary. Equilateral triangle. It is triangle in which all the three sides and angles are equal. Isosceles triangle. It is a triangle in which two sides are equal and the base angle opposite to equal sides are equal also. Right angle triangle. Triangle have one of the angle equals to 90 degree. Sum of length of two sides of the triangle. So this is called side sum property also. Here the sum of the length of two sides of the triangle always be greater than the third side, whether it is an equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle or scalene triangle. As you can see in the triangle ABC, so sum of two sides will be always greater than the third side. We can take three pair here. AB plus BC will be greater than AC, AB plus AC will be greater than BC and AC plus BC will be greater than AB. So, in the three cases, the sum of the length of two sides of the triangle will always be greater than third side. Example, check whether it is possible to make triangle using these measurement or not. So, we have to check whether the sum of two sides is greater than the third side or not. So, let's check. 4 plus 7 will be equals to 11. 3 plus 7 will be equals to 10 and 3 plus 4 will be equals to 7. Here, the sum of two sides is equal to the third side. So, triangle is not possible. As you can see here, 7 in the third answer and there is a 7 centimeter side also. So, this is not possible to make triangle with these sides. Next question. 2 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 6 centimeter. So, here you can see 2 plus 5 is 7 centimeter, 6 plus 5 is 11 centimeter and 6 plus 2 is 8 centimeter. All of the three answer is greater than the sides of the triangle. Hence, the sum of two sides is greater than the third side. So, the triangle could be made with these measurements. Right angle triangle. A right angle triangle is a triangle which has one of its angle is equals to 90 degree. And the side opposite to that angle is the largest leg of the triangle. So, the hypotenuse is the largest side. And other two are called legs, or the leg which is vertical is called height and the leg which is horizontal is called base. So, Pythagoras theorem says the square of hypotenuse will be equals to the square of base plus square of height. The reverse of the Pythagoras is also applicable. If the Pythagoras property holds in a triangle, then it must be have a right angle triangle. Example, find the value of x in the given triangle if the hypotenuse is 5 centimeter and the height is 4 centimeter. So, hypotenuse is 5 centimeter here, height is 4 centimeter here and base is x. So, hypotenuse square will be equals to base square plus height square. So, we will put the value here and we will get this. Now the 4 square will be goes to the next side by transposition method. Hence the square of 5 is 25 and square of 4 is 16. We will get subtracted them, and x is equals to 9. X square equals to 9. So when we find the x will be equals to 3 centimeter. Assignment. This is the assignment related to this topic. Thank you.